You're watching Bloomberg UTV.
Welcome to India's biggest reality show, The Pitch. And now, our host, Mr. Boman Irani.
Namaste and welcome to The Pitch, the meanest, keenest business reality show on television, where the winner will get up to 5 crore rupees worth of funding to fulfill his business dream. Every week, a business icon will give our competitors a business task. If you perform well, you move into the next round. If you don't, you get eliminated. Or, on the show, outpitched. When the show was announced, we got entries from all over the country, thousands of them. But our selection process and our judges whittled and sifted them down to just 30. Imagine you're an actor and you step into an elevator. Right by you is a very famous director and you'd like to act in his movie. But you've just got a few seconds or maybe up to a minute to tell him that you'd like to act in his movie. What do? You make him a pitch. You don't have much time. In business terms, it's called an elevator pitch. Welcome to the elevator pitch. I'll just go and say hello to the contestants. I think that's a good idea. Let's see if they're nervous. I don't know. Maybe they are. Let's go. Hello, everybody. Good morning. All excited? Yeah. Okay, you know who the 3 guys are out there, right? No idea? Anyway, they give me the business cards. But my little brief to you is, whatever you do, don't be nervous. Whatever you do, you got a tops of 5 minutes. We can decide within a minute or 30 seconds or 10 seconds, favorably or unfavorably. So don't get thrown by that, because we'll come to know the results tomorrow. Anyone want to say anything? Anything at all? Wish me good luck at least. We're sitting outside in the lobby, and then I'm going to take them to the war room and see you in the war room one by one.
Here's a look at our jury. Vishal Gondal, Alok Kejriwal, Manish Sehgal.
My name is Alok Kejriwal. I'm the CEO and co-founder of GamesToWin.com. I'm really glad to be associated with The Pitch. I think it's an amazing program. It really doesn't matter whether you win it or not. Just the ability to be able to present, to be able to be judged, and to take feedback and go home and go back to work and do it all over again is really important.
Hi, I am Vishal Gondal. I'm the founder of India Games, India's biggest games company. Apart from that, I'm an active angel investor and fund companies by young entrepreneurs. I'm very, very excited about what's going on here at The Pitch, especially because here is an opportunity for a young entrepreneur to just pitch in his idea and get about 5 crores of rupees to get his idea to market.
I'm Manish Sehgal. I'm a partner with KPMG. वो हमने सुना है ना, वो एक वर्ड बोलते हैं इंडिया जुगाड़. मेरे हिसाब से वो जो एक शब्द है और वो जो एक फिलॉसफी है, वो एक इंडियन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के फैब्रिक को डिफाइन करती है.
Hi guys.
Hey.
They're all very excited inside.
Yep, absolutely.
Let's have a seat and let's see how it goes. I'll go into the war room. They seem to be enthused. They seem to be a mixture of nervousness and excitement. So I really don't know what's going to happen in the war room. But you'd like to say something?
Yeah, I think they're a bunch of aspiring entrepreneurs.
Right.
They've had the courage to put stuff on paper. And,
It takes courage.
yeah.
It takes
and to even stand up in front of a jury like this and to be up there saying something. So I think encouragement with advice.
I mean, the good thing is all these are already winners. I think most of the plans we saw, the fact that they've articulated it
Oh,
and
very good.
are willing to come here and pitch to us, that itself is great.
And I would put it that they've already come through this whole filtration process. I think at this stage we look for whether they will actually be able to implement it and execute it.
Exactly.
So I tell you what we do. Let's go to the war room. Shall we?
All right.
Okay, gentlemen, let's go.
India is a country where there is no shortage of ideas. But at the pitch, what I'll be looking at today is कि ideas में कितना दम है. How much of these ideas can be converted into businesses? And here we are sitting with the money to back your ideas and make it big.
Passion, idea, concept, the whole, financial, modeling, and what this business will help, how it'll help you and how it'll help people was the criteria that I used to judge the contest.
Indeed, we had a very large number of ideas that we actually have looked at, and I'm personally very confident and excited to actually see which of the top 10 ideas will actually go through to the next stage from here onwards.
And now for the first pitch.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. I'm Deepa, and I represent Yashram Lifestyle. Today is going to be a very interesting product for you men, because we have a patent-pending product called the Period Panty. And the brand name is Adira. What is very interesting about this product is that it is patent-pending and one of a kind in the world. Women are today out into the world, working, sleeping through the night, mothers sending their daughters off to school in white uniforms. All these are terror points. And not to mention, even if the woman is not so conscious about staining in public, just the fact that she has to wash her clothes off, her sheets off, is not such a pleasant thing anymore.
First and foremost, congratulations for being so bold and so amazing.
Incredible.
I mean,
Incredible.
really,
For just standing here.
You just won my
takes a
heart
lot.
just to be able to speak of such a problem straight away and, be so direct about it. Awesome.
So what is more interesting is the fact that we have a solution for that problem. And we use the special fabric, which is leak-proof and breathable. So no skin allergies, no...
You must appreciate that we find it a little difficult to understand the problem.
Absolutely.
You see, but we are trying very hard. I think I speak for all of us that we truly understand that there is a problem. And
But how the product has done? Have you tested it in the market?
Yes. We are in the market for about a year now, and we have about 400 retail points of the product.
Wow.
Yeah, and very well received. And in fact, we have a very good, a lot of mothers buying for their daughters, and next time around they buy it for themselves, because why not?
So how do you plan to spend the 5 crores?
The 5 crores will be definitely, making people like you more aware of the fact that, Adira is available, so that you can talk to your wives or your girlfriends or whoever you can influence on a product like this.
Is marketing really the biggest challenge for you? Is that
Yes,
what it is?
not only in terms of money, but also in terms of getting the right kind of people, because our team is not very strong in terms of
Communication.
communication, I wouldn't say, but I think good marketing strategy and getting a good team in place.
just right off the bat, I've got to say this, that I can't tell you how impressed we are with the way you've
Thank
just
you.
come here and presented it with such
Thank you.
alacrity and such genuineness, and we really genuinely wish you luck, and
Thank you.
hats off to you. Actually,
Thank
hats
you.
off to you.
Can we have some of those panties?
Yeah, sure. Are you serious?
Absolutely. You got them for us, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely. I want to go home with some panties.
Yeah,
I'd like to.
thanks so much.
Congratulations.
God bless.
Thank you.
Unbelievable. I mean, I was bowled over by the personality, the way that she answered everything, stood her ground.
He's kind of solved a real problem.
Absolutely.
And we don't even know
I'm
the
not
problem.
sure whether we understand
She
the
told
problem
us the problem that so because we know that there is a problem.
Yeah, exactly. Well done.
Hi guys, I'm Dr. Ankit Khambati. I am here to pitch to you about Cheenicum. Cheenicum is organized diabetes care. There are about 5 crore diabetics in India. Problem is half of them don't know about it. We've developed a real-time disease management technology. I am putting a diabetes clinic in anyone's pocket, a virtual clinic in somebody's pocket. Once you send us the reading, you get an entire day's regimen, a personalized regimen on what you must do to bring that sugar down that day. For example, we send you a SMS request taking your blood sugar in the morning. Let's say it's high. If it's high, we give you a recipe on what you must eat for breakfast.
You're describing diabetes as if it's like a headache that I need to cure right now, or a migraine. You will get this guy to SMS, you will get a regimen, but he won't do it.
That's
So why do exactly?
I think the biggest problem in your model really is that you are trying to make it a self-service model.
Yeah,
of the
self-management
patient
of
doing
diabetes,
it.
yes.
The self-management is a problem in India.
Yeah.
I mean, I have joined so many gyms and so many diet classes, and I know that what happens in them. So the problem really is that I know what I'm supposed to eat, but I know everything. I have people who can write every day a diet chart for me, but I damn don't follow it. That's the problem.
I'll tell you what, I'm so going to jump in here. I think we've gone way beyond our time. First, But secondly, I think it's a very debatable thing.
Yeah.
It's a very debatable thing. I think it's a great idea, but I'm not saying anything beyond that. Thank you very much for your pitch. It was excellent. I genuinely was. I believe that.
And you know, you're a master of your field, so you know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
That adds a lot of weight to this
Exactly.
pitch, right? Awesome.
Exactly, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Great.
I'm telling you, if I was a pre-diabetic, I would go for it.
So guess what? You can
It's debatable. That's what I'm saying. You may think it's not working for you. It might work for, but definitely work for my sister, who is living in denial.
I think I convinced 2 out of them, and they even said that 2 of us are convinced, 2 of us need to think. What I could do for them is put them on my program and prove it to them that it actually works. My gut feeling is they bought it.
Coming up next on the pitch.
This trap attracts the mosquitoes to its vacuuming area.
On my exchange, there are sports players being traded. So you can buy shares of Sachin Tendulkar and all that.
ओह वाह, राजेश भैया आपकी ट्रेन बहुत निकल चली, ये ट्रेन निकल गई है.